Human health, HIV and AIDS. Successful farming requires vigor, strength, vision, and determination. HIV and AIDS pandemic is the biggest threat to farming, making people unhealthy and reducing population at an alarming rate. We have a big population that is taking care of AIDS patients, spending a lot of time and money in the treatment of opportunistic diseases. The orphans left by those who die of AIDS and other diseases have become a burden to the society. The overall effect of HIV and AIDS and ill health in agriculture include shortage of farm labor, increasing the labor cost. Increasing cost of living of AIDS patient and their relatives. 3. Low food supply and poverty in general has increased criminal activities. IV. Low living standards leads to dependency, hopelessness, and lack of motivation to invest in agriculture. V. The government and NGOs are using a lot of time and resources in controlling the HIV/AIDS pandemic. These resources would be used to develop agriculture. Field operation records. This is the account of all that takes place in the field. For example, plowing, planting, weeding, fertilizer application for each crop enterprise, or for a given field. At the end of the season, these records should assist the farmer in working out the cost of production for each enterprise using input records. The activities are recorded as illustrated below. Field operation records. Study the farm activities displayed on the stage. Identify the field operation on each section. Marketing records. These records shows the commodity, quality, or amount sold, date, rate per unit of the commodity, total value where sold. This can be organized in records as follows. Marketing records: date, amount sold, price per unit, total value where sold. Remarks. Labor records. Farm labor records. Farm labor is one of the most important factor of production. Labor records should show the skills provided, date, and payment rate. There are two types of labor records. Muster roll. Labor utilization analysis. A. Muster roll. Muster roll shows the name of the worker, payroll number, days worked, rate of payment, amount of salary or wage, and signature. The records show both casual and permanent laborers. Such records are important for income tax assessment and permanence of labor in the farm. B. Labor utilization analysis inventory records. These includes consumable good inventory and permanent goods inventory. How can you classify the items into permanent and consumable goods? Consumable goods include animal feeds, fertilizers, cements. They are also referred to as current assets of the business. Consumable goods inventory record. Permanent goods include livestock, machinery, perennial crops, crop in the field. As the record may show, this type of goods are long-term, fixed assets of the farm business. Breeding records. These are records kept to show the breeding activities and programs for different animals in the farm. These records help in selecting breeding stock and culling according to the performance. In breeding records, the following information is usually recorded as illustrated. Breeding records, feeding records. These records are kept to show the types and amounts of feed used in each farm enterprise. The records help monitor consumption and output of each animal or the livestock flock. This can assist in adjusting the costing when feeding. Each type of feed and quantity is noted. Under remarks, column performance on each type of feed is noted. In feeding records, the following information is usually recorded as illustrated. Feeding records. Record keeping in farming business. This lesson will cover the following topic units which can enhance your business farming style. Basic concepts of economics. Keeping farm records, health records, field operation records, marketing records, labor records, inventory records, breeding records, feeding records, production records. Hi guys, if this is the first time you've come to my channel, please go down the bottom, hit that subscribe, and turn on all notifications so you can get notified every time I post a brand new video similar to this. Keep watching.